Today we are going to make corn milk ice cream from this. Hi guys, it's Jeffrey from Travel Bikes. So today we are in Kanchanaburi Thailand. We're going to introduce you to a different kind of tourism. So today it's about agriculture tourism. This place here is Rai Khun Mon. Let's go inside and check it out. Here at Rai Khun Mon, it's actually the first place in Thailand that made corn milk and manufacture it. So we came to the perfect place. Khun Mon Farm, as you can see, grows corn. There's also accommodation where you can stay and learn about zero waste farming. They call this farm stay. If you go to Thailand's countryside and you see this string here with a pole, don't touch it, okay? Because there's electric running through them. So be careful. These are to protect the buffaloes from going and wandering off. Here we meet with our host Khun Mon. She's telling us about the life cycle of corns and how it is very important to keep the zero waste philosophy to be sustainable, as it is our responsibility to take care of nature. So every part of the corn is used. Even this, the hair part, is used to make tea, and it's very good for you. It can lower your cholesterol and it's very good for your health. The stem here is used to feed livestock. By the way, do you know what kind of a car a rich cow drives? A Cadillac. And what do you get if you cross a cow and a duck? Milk and quackers. Enough with the terrible dad joke. Let's make some ice cream. The corns here are all organic. I tried fresh corns here, and surprisingly they're sweet without having to do anything to it. Who knew? Ice cream time! Starting with our organic corn milk, coconut milk or fresh milk, some sugar, that's it. Then you just need to put some ice and salt on the outside of the bucket and do the stabby, twisty motion. And there you have it, your ice cream. Do you know where to learn to make the best ice cream? In Sunday school, of course. Okay, I promise, no more. Look, it's nice and thick, and you can smell the coconut milk, the coconut cream in it, and it's not too sweet. And the best thing is there's no preservative. This is excellent for anybody that's allergic to cow milk because it has lots of vitamins, lots of antioxidant in it. But the best thing is it's delicious. Woo. I think I'll go for a second. It's time for our next activity, making black sesame seed oil. It's good for many different things. Cooking, dressing salad, hydrating your skin, making scrubs for that beautiful, clear skin. Following the zero waste concept, the excess from making the oil It's then mixed with other different herbs such as Borneo, camphor, turmeric, ploy, salt to make this prakop. This is Thailand's traditional method of reducing pain and swollen muscle. It's also very relaxing. If you have a chance, give it a try. All the products is focused on giving back to the community, creating jobs and sustainability. In my opinion, these organic products are excellent for gifts.
Oh, it's very different from what you usually go to. It's a break from those city life and those beaches. It's very, very different. You don't need your phone, and you don't. It's like you get to experience nature in a completely different way.
Well, today was really different. It's the first time me, not only in Thailand but anywhere since I was born, went to a farm. Greens everywhere, left and right. The weather is fantastic, and it's better also when it rained.
It's actually very exciting because it's all very organic, and you never get to do all this outside. We get to see how organic ice cream is made because what we eat is usually processed, and you get to see how organic stuff can actually taste good and how it can be helpful to us, like the pakhop, yeah. Really, really nice. It tasted like kati. So it was like kati ice cream, but with a touch of corn to it. Yeah, so it was actually really nice.
So that is it for us today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we make new videos every single week. Come back again and check out where are we going next week. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment. Where would you like us to go? And did you enjoy the show? For today, bye.
Just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.